Oh yeah, what it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will. We back at it with another slight video, you heard me? Hey look, today's video, y'all, just gonna be showing y'all, man, how much it costs to fill up a Dodge Charger Hellcat, man. Like I said, a Hellcat, not the red eye, not the big boy we used to have, bro. Hellcat's still the big boy, don't get me wrong, bro, you heard me? But hey, I'm gonna just, man, show y'all like how much it costs, man. You know, everybody want a Hellcat, but you know, whenever it come down to these gas prices and filling up, people don't, you know what I mean, don't have the same energy sometimes. So yeah, man, I'm gonna just take y'all through my little day, man. You heard me? So I'm at Starbucks right now, finna get some good Starbucks. So 1 second, man. Come on, man. As y'all can see, shout out to the, you know, caramel ribbon crunch. Need that, boy, for sure. Got my wife something too, man. Whatever. But yeah, still waiting on the stuff, man. Yo, look at the gas, bro. 16 miles. I'm gonna drive this bit though until that shit say like low fuel or something like that, bro. So I'm gonna drain this bit, y'all. I'm draining it. As y'all can see, bro, we got, you know, 6,300 miles. Whenever we first got the car, I think we had like 5,800, 5,600. Car still fairly brand new, man. So yeah, stay tuned, bro. It's your boy C-Will, man. Like I said, just got the Starbucks, man. You heard me, back secure on the Starbucks. I think gas on post, y'all, if I'm not mistaken, that bit like, it say 487 for unleaded, 517 I think for premium. That's crazy, boy. So yeah, bro, gas on post in California, y'all, where I'm at currently right now, it's 517 a gallon for that. What is it? I don't know if it's 92 or 93, but whatever premium is for y'all, hey, that's what gas is over here, man. I should go down to Barstow and just find like the most expensive gas station, just to give y'all like a better, you know what I mean, a better price as to like how much gas could possibly be, right? I know in like a lot of states, man, like it's cheap, you know, Louisiana cheap, Mississippi gas cheap, probably Atlanta gas cheap, Texas gas cheap, you heard me? Everybody else is cheap, you know. California, you gonna pay that 5 something a gallon. I seen 6 something a gallon. I seen $7 a gallon out here in California. So yeah, man, like shit, to say it's summertime, I definitely expect the gas to be higher, you know, like assuming shit, everybody gonna be outside, everybody gonna want to drive, right? Everything is about business, everything is about money, you heard me? So yeah, they gonna make them gas prices high, man. So I'm not even tripping. So as y'all can see, bro, we still got 20 miles until empty, bro. So honestly, what I should do, hold up, I should hit that big SRT. Let me see something. Hit the SRT twice, and then custom, you know, 717. So that's really something, y'all, I had to get used to, bro. Like I'm used to 797, because like I said, we had came from the red eye, bro. You know, I went straight from, you know, shit, the ZL1 to the red eye, boy. So that bit said 797. So having 717 is weird. You know, I was always used to either 797 or 707. You know what I mean? That's how much the old Hellcats used to have, 707 horses. So getting into this, I'm like 77. Like, it's always weird. Like, you know, somebody asked me how much horsepower this bit got. Like, I always catch myself saying like, oh shit, that bit got 707, you know, but obviously it don't got 707 to the wheel. It's just 707 to the crank. So, you know, I'd say it's probably like 620, 630 maybe, you know, horses. But yeah, man, shit, like I said, y'all, I'm just driving this bit, man. I got what, 19 miles now, which is crazy. So I'm finna, let me see if I can give y'all a little light yank, little light pull. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, like I really can't hit that bit that much because shit, I'm on base, y'all. So most I can go probably 35, 40 ball for y'all, for real. You know, yeah, look at this, bro. Just straight desert, man. That's where they got me at out here, y'all. Cali, bro. Shit, it's tough, man. But yeah, I finna shit, head back to the crib right now. Give my wife this stuff, man. And then shit, hopefully by the time, shit, I don't know, bro. Man, 19 still, so yeah, I'm gonna try to, you know what I mean, milk this bit until that shit say like low miles or something like that. I forgot what it said. Just say like the range is just low. So we'll see, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all, man, in a little bit. Big 717. All right, y'all, shit, just now got out of work, man. Boy in the boots and all that. About to go see if I can put some gas. My gas is finally low, finally. So yeah, we'll see, man. You heard me? Got the whip, you know. So I doubt it's gonna even let me do a cold start right now, because yeah, like I said, I don't think I have enough miles or enough gas left in the tank for it to be able to do a cold start. But let's see. Oh shit. Let's see. Okay. It might turn off though. Let's see. Well, maybe not. Let's see what we got, man. See? I was riding this bit out, y'all. Look at that. Remote start canceled. Damn, can't even do that. Yeah, y'all, I was trying to ride this bit out till I couldn't no more, man. So let's see. Put the AC on. Make sure this bit low. Let's see, man. Oh, hold on, boy. It's hot, boy. See that? Fuel low. That's how you know. See the range? Because earlier, y'all think my range was like 16 miles, but now that shit say low. So yeah, I was just trying to give y'all, man, the most accurate, price, man, for all y'all out there who swear y'all want a Hellcat, who want this, and that. All right, we gonna see if y'all really want a cat, you hear me? So yeah, man, let's get to it. Your boy finna go to the gas station, man. I'll holler at y'all whenever shit get to the gas station. Something light, something slight. Hope I don't run out of gas, boy. This is low. Ooh, it's the lowest I ever go. Like I said, I usually only go up to half. You know, I don't go past, well, I don't go under half, bro. It make me feel better whenever I'm putting gas. But yeah, man, I holler at y'all boys whenever we get to the gas station, you hear me? Let's get to it. Hey, I ain't gonna hold y'all boys. Hey, it's been hard trying to get a video out to y'all, man, I swear. Like, between work, between college, between cutting hair, between, like, bro, being like a husband, you know what I mean? Being like a father, bro. Like, it's hard trying to crank out these videos for y'all, man. I think it's been like 3 weeks since I actually got a video out to y'all, bro. Like, I feel bad, but you know, hey, man, people got priorities, you know what I mean? Like, shit, YouTube is important to me, man. Like, I really want to hit that 10K, that 10,000, you know, ASAP, bro. But man, you know, you got stuff that just come up in life, man, and you got to prioritize your family. You got to prioritize work. You got to prioritize, you know what I mean? And YouTube for me is just extracurricular. Like, it's just extra for me, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, like I said, hey, thank y'all for staying patient with your boy C Will. Appreciate y'all every single day, you know. Yeah, man, this YouTube stuff is not easy, bro. Anybody that's trying to get into YouTube, man, as cliche as it sounds, bro, try to stay consistent, man. The YouTube algorithm is up and it's down, you know what I mean? Like, I could have the best video ever, you heard me? Best video ever, right? At least I think it's the best video ever, and that should only get like 300 views, right? Or I could just have a mediocre ass video and that should just get 20,000 views, right? Out of the blue, crazy. But yeah, man, hey, just put up to the gas station, y'all. Let's see how much this bit costs. I'm gonna let y'all know how much premium gas is in California on base, which is crazy. And then yeah, we're gonna go from there, y'all. So yeah, pockets finna be hurt. Nah, pockets is straight. But yeah, let's get to it, man. I'll let y'all. All right, CEEFAM, like I said, just put up to the gas station, you hear me? What, unleaded 487, mid grade is what, 507, and then the high grade super boy, premium boy, 91 is 517, y'all. So let's get it, bro. Put that old, damn, they crazy. Put this boy right here in there. We gonna see how much this bit is, bro. Oh, like, I think I have a 16-gallon tank. I think, you know, I tried to do research on the whip, man, but yeah. So how much y'all think it's gonna cost, bro? Y'all can do shit 517 times 16 and just, you know, put y'all comments down below. But yeah, this boy gonna take some gas, bro. All y'all out there that swear y'all want a Hellcat, man, be prepared to pay that price, bro. You know, it costs to play. Always costs to play, man. So I'm gonna get back at y'all once the pump stop, man. It's crazy work. Hey, yo, boy, we at $63, $64 at 12 gallons, bro. That's why I say, y'all, I never let my gas line get below half, bro. Because half, I'm good paying 35, 40 ball, you know. But yeah, hey, subscribe to the channel, man. You know, hey, follow your boy on Instagram, you hear me? Appreciate y'all boys, man. This thing keep going, bro. 76. Ooh. All right, and just like that, y'all, finally finished, bro, putting that gas. For those of y'all who don't shake the gas tank out, man, and y'all just let the gas drip onto your car, y'all some menaces, boy, you hear me? So hey, like I said, comment down below before I show y'all how much y'all think it costs to fill up a 2022, 2023, 2021 Hellcat, whatever. So it costs $86, bro. at 16.5 gallons, 16.6 gallons. So I was right, you know, basically a 17-gallon tank, you know, empty at 517 in California, bro. So yeah, man. So let's go in the car and see how much we actually got to the full tank. And me, I always drive my car on auto, you know, for the most part, driving on post. So let's see how much we actually got, man, to the full tank. Let's see. Let's see how much we got to the full tank. The range now, let's see. Come on, baby. So see, it's only 228 miles to the full tank. You heard me? And that's, I don't know, to me, that's decent, bro, but that's not, you know what I mean? It's not the best. You heard me? It's definitely not the best, y'all. So yeah, man, shit, that's how much it costs. You know, $86, bro. If you let that bitch get on goddamn empty, you gonna pay that 86 now. Basically 90 ball. Just to, you know what I mean, have a full tank of gas. But like I said, that's in California, y'all. 9 times out of 10, y'all boys not in California anyways. So y'all should never pay over $80 for a full tank of gas for y'all Hellcat, bro. Unless y'all in somewhere like New York or somewhere crazy, bro, y'all should be straight. But yeah, man. But yeah, y'all, hey, that's how much it costs, man, to fill up a 2022 Hellcat, bro. It's not the red eye, y'all. We had the red eye already, been there and done that. Shout out to us. Like I said, shout out to us, man. Now shout out to you boy C Will. Shout out to us, man, putting in that hard work. A lot of y'all was here with me whenever I had my V6 challenge way back in the day. You heard me? So I know what hard work look like. I know what, you know what I mean, persistence and all that, grind mode, light work, slight work look like. Slow motion is better than no motion. Tell y'all that, bro, till I die, bro. I'd rather have slow motion than to have none. That's on everything. You hear me? So hey, like I said, appreciate y'all boys. If any one of y'all want a Hellcat, whether it's a Charger, Challenger, bro, be prepared to pay them prices, bro. You gotta pay to play in every aspect of life. Cars, man, houses, man, anything, bro. Anything that costs money, like, you know, you essentially you get what you pay for. That's all I gotta say, man. You hear me? So $86 to fill up the Hellcat. Appreciate y'all boys for stopping in, boys, girls, you know, whoever watching the channel, bro. Hey, thank y'all for y'all support. Thank y'all for y'all everything, man. You know, like I said, I'm gonna definitely try my best to put more content out for y'all, man. More videos out. How much I paid for the Charger. What made me get a Charger over a Trackhawk? Because initially I wanted a Trackhawk, man. But you know, I'm gonna make a video about that, man. How much I paid for the Charger. Man, just all kind of stuff, bro. I got my diffuser coming, bro, carbon fiber diffuser. I'm gonna put that bit on, you know what I mean? So it's just small videos, bro, I can definitely make, bro, just to, you know what I mean? But I also don't like putting out videos that's just gonna be bullshit, you know what I mean? I don't believe in that, bro. I like to put out quality videos, man, like informative videos. You know, I actually want to teach y'all boys something. I don't want to just put out BS just to see I put out a video. That's not like me, man. That's not like me, and I hope y'all can respect that, bro. Like, it take a lot of like creativity to, you know what I mean, to really be putting out content and putting out great content too, not just no BS content. You hear me? So, but yeah, man. Hey, like I said, appreciate y'all boys for stopping in. If y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Anything is appreciated, bro. You know, liking a video is free. Supporting somebody is free. Putting a comment on a video is free. You know what I mean? So shit, support me, man. I appreciate y'all boys always, man. So yeah, holla at y'all boys, man. It's your boy C Will. Y'all my CEEFAM, and I holla at